Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, let's just jump right into it because why not? Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing like a broken down kind of look, someone who's like cracked in the face. So I think it will be fun. So let's go. So the first thing that I'm gonna start with is, I guess, uh, eyeshadow. Who knows? You can start with anything if you're following. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. Yes. And I'm just going to put that on my eye because it's fun. Now, you can put down a base. I'm not going to. Today, I'm just going to go very simple with what I want. So, yeah, today's just going to be a very simple look. It's not going to be too extravagant. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this look. It's just kind of here. Go underneath your eyes. Now, you could put foundation or like concealer or primer underneath. I suggest you would, but today I'm just not going to. I don't know why, I just don't want to. Sorry, just commentating is pretty hard. I'm pretty sick right now. I can't hear anything. I think that's good. So, next, eyeliner. You can do whatever thickness you want. It could be thick eyeliner. You don't even have to put eyeliner. I'm just gonna put eyelashes on later. Alright, I'm just gonna finish the eyeliner because it's kind of boring to watch because I can't really talk. I'll just finish that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished the eyes. It did take too long. That's okay. But yeah, so in this, you could either put your eyelashes on first, but I'm actually going to put a contact in since I'm going to do a broken look. And this is a pure white contact. It's not mesh, so I cannot see out of it, which is okay. Now, I'm going to guess that you guys don't want to see this, so I'm just going to put it on off camera. The only reason is just because some people kind of find it gross. So, yeah, 1 second. Okay, so once you have the contact in, if you're gonna wear contacts, you don't have to. I just like to, they're fun. I really like contacts. Anyway, so I'm sorry if this bothers you. You can click off now if you don't like it. I'm just gonna put on eyelashes. Actually, you know what? First, since my eye's kind of watering, I'm just gonna fix my eyeshadow. So you can just go underneath your eye and just place some of that color. It's kind of like a dark red. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so the eyelashes that I'm using are just these. They're pretty fun. I like them. Now this is a very long process for me, so I'm gonna do it off camera as well. Sorry if this video is kind of like odd. It's currently 2:56 in the morning. So yeah. Anyway, gonna put these eyelashes on off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so from what I've learned from that process is don't put your contact in before you put in eyelashes, even though it's easier to put in the contact before, because that was really stressful, painful, and I don't think it went very well. Okay, So after that little thing, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to add some blush. Now, I don't like to add a lot, seeing that, like, I don't know, it's just not something that I do. Actually, you know what, today, yeah. Sorry, this commentary is pretty boring. It is just because I cannot see, and also it's 2 a.m. So yeah. I'm just gonna fix this really quick because, like, I'm trying my best. So I'll be back. Thank you for your patience. Okay, well, I'm back. All I did was I just fixed the blush, just added a little bit more. But yeah, anyway, so the next thing I'm going to do is add some highlight to my face because it's fun. Now, I don't care if this brush works or not. I use every brush, so I'm going to grab just a pretty light, can you see? Hopefully. Oh yeah, the mirror's broken. I completely forgot. It's just like that. I'm just gonna add it. Just add it. Just add. I like highlight. It's nice. Add it to the high points. So like you can add it here, you can add it here. Doesn't matter. Yes. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I'm joking. Oh yeah. You can also add some. Now, this is definitely not the right brush to do it. I'm just using it because, oh yeah, 100% right. The correct brush to use for your inner eye. When you forget you can't see. It's just the greatest, isn't it? So now what you can do is, oh god, I forgot to get this out. Got this out. God, I can't speak. So, I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm just a complete mess right now. So, grab one of your darker lip glosses and you can just apply that to your lips. You could use a brush. You could use whatever applicator you have. It doesn't really matter. Perfect. I'm just gonna fix this because still cannot see. Yep. Beautiful. Okay, so now you can either A, leave the look here, or B, do what I'm about to do and probably completely ruin it. So if you're gonna leave it there, I guess this is the end of the video, but if you're gonna do what I'm about to do, you can stay and watch, I guess. This complete disaster happened. I'm gonna guess this is gonna be a pretty short video. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab one of my small makeup brushes and just like put water on it and go into my face paints, which are absolutely beautiful. I don't know what I tapped. And you can add cracks to your face. Now the problem with this is I would be a lot better if I could actually see, but cracks are very misshapen and like not organized, so I'm trying my best not to like make them look organized, but it's so difficult. No, it's not. I'm just really dumb. So you can add it up your face. And just add it wherever, you know? Crocs just can go wherever. I'll be back. I'm just gonna finish this. Okay, so like once you have that done, I've just kind of darkened them up a little bit. You can add whatever you want. You can add glitter. You can add blush. Uh, so if you want a more realistic, you could also like glue down some of your eyebrow, I guess, and then just make it look like it's disappeared. Or just shave it if you really want to, if you're dedicated enough. I think I just smudged some lines. That's fine. It doesn't really matter, I guess. So yeah, I guess this is it in the end. You can also add some like latex to your face if you want. I love that. Yeah, it's just I couldn't do any of that today. I'm sorry. It's like 2 a.m. But anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe for more content like this. Also, comments are always disabled because I'm a minor. So we have a Instagram that you can go to. I'll link it into the description, so you can go check that out. And yeah, I'm pretty active on there. So have yourself a beautiful, wonderful day. And yeah, have a good day.